Okay, I ordered something new today. I'm so excited. I ordered cha-cha chicken. Okay, these are jerk chicken wings, rice and beans, fried plantains. I think this is supposed to be a jerk chicken enchilada. And then I got chips and bean dip. I've only had the pink one. I don't know the difference with this. Ting is literally the best soda on earth, I swear. Let's start with the chips and bean dip. I love bean dip. So good. I'm gonna put the enchilada on a plate because there's some sauce on the bottom and I want the full experience. That's crazy. The sauce is so good. It's like sweet because it's pineapple, but it's perfect. Jerk wings. What are these sauces? Ah, that's so spicy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's try my rice and beans first. Okay, plantain, my favorite part. Okay, time for my wings. I don't really know which sauce I'm supposed to dip them in. They look so good. Sauce first. Let's see. The sauce I think is spicier. Shit, this is insane. I can't breathe. Okay, the last thing is this coconut banana pudding. Oh, it just... Are you serious? Oh my god. That is so good.